Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna go straight into this video. So I've been watching a lot of K-pop lately and I like the way the females brows are looking. I like the straight brow kind of look at the bottom of the eyebrow instead of the curve arched. So I decided to change the shape of my eyebrow in terms of like how I basically shape my eyebrows when I fill it in. So in order for me to do that, I need to basically tidy up my eyebrows. So this is what I usually do, and obviously because of quarantine, so we're not able to go to the brow lady to get our brows done. So Veet here is going to help me do that. So as you saw at the beginning, I just lined my brows with a white pencil liner just to give me like a guide of how I want the brow to look. Now I'm just using my brow pencil, brush, to basically apply the Veet cream to my eyebrows. Now I'm using the normal one. I usually use the sensitive, but I didn't have that with me at this time, so I just used the normal one. So you're going to see later on that I cleaned off the Veet cream quite quickly because I started to feel a little bit of a sting. Whereas with the sensitive one, I'm able to keep it on for longer because it's not as harsh. So using a cotton bud that I've wet with water, I'm just going to wipe off the Veet cream because like I was saying, I felt a little bit of a sting. And as you can see, not all the hair came out, but most of it did. If it would just focus for me there. So that's the hair, and I just went back in with baby wipes to wipe off the white pencil liner, just to get a clear look of what I have done. And as you can see, it's taking shape. So I'm just going to go back in with the Veet cream and I'm just going to follow the shape that I have created. And like I said, I'm going for the straight kind of eyebrow look at the bottom, but my brow naturally has a curve at the top, so I'm just going to leave that. So I've just left that on for like literally less than a minute, and I'm just going to wipe that off. So and I also did that for the other side, obviously, and this is what we're working with. So I'm just going to brush out my eyebrows to see how it looks without doing anything to it. And this is how it looked. I didn't like the way the bottom was looking on the left hand side, so I decided to do that again. And I just want to show you guys how I filled it in. This is one side filled in and one side not filled in. So this is what you're going to get at the end, and this is the result. Obviously you can go back in and tweeze whatever imperfections you want to tweeze. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.